Terrain can be defined by snaps and spot height lines. If, for example, we have a good geodetic background loaded in .dwg format, then we can convert all text to spot heights, which will automatically create the terrain. If we do not have such a map, it is advisable to check the altitude of the place where we are designing the building and enter the relevant data in the base level with a value from 0 meters above sea level. At first, we enter the base level properties from the Project Manager window, and we will define that the building is at the height of 180 meters above sea level. After the approval, the building on the 3D view has been moved upwards, so we need to center the view. Now, we will enter the spot heights lines. The terrain in the project will be defined in such a way that the front of the building will be at 45 centimeters lower, and at the back of the building it will be a little higher, only at -15 centimeters. Therefore, we will define the spot heights lines. Let us remember that these values are given in meters. We indicate the location of the lines in front of the building. The entered snaps and spot heights lines are also defining the size of the terrain. We repeat the entering of spot heights lines, but we only change the values. We will add additional lines to more accurately shape a terrain.